Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do SFS on Snapchat. So when we say SFS, it means snap for snap or shout out for shout out. What does it do? It usually used to promote each other on their respective circles. So that is very easy. Just click their Snapchat. You can take a picture or you can choose any picture in your gallery. For me, I'll just take a picture. Then click the T sign, text. Then choose any style of text that you want. For me, I'll choose winter. Let's say I'll type winter. Okay, now click the @ sign on the left side. Okay, and you see your friends at the bottom part. So for me, I'll choose my friend here. Okay, then it will show to your friend that you tagged them in a post. Yeah, in a story. So just click send to and click my story. Just hope that your friend will tag you too, so you can be promoted to their circle of friends too. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if you want to be updated for more tutorial videos, might as well tap the notification button. See you next time!